these eyes are gonna cry. If I cry, will I still be a man later tonight? Will she still love me, you know? Will she still be the wife? I might cry.
There's so much blood in the street, I see too many die. So many real ones we lost, only one question why. I got some pain in my heart, you look me in my eye. I pray to God make it rain so you don't see me cry.
What if I cry?
I pray the rain fall down and you don't see me cry.
Yeah.
Cry.
Yeah.
I pray it rain on me.
Yeah.
Rain on me. I say rain on me. Rain on me. Rain on me. Yeah, I've been feeling that kind of way. I want you to know. All this pain in my heart, I don't need no more. I pray it rain on me. Rain on me. Yeah.
Yo, it's raining tears, the buckets are falling down my fucking face again. Look at the stream, dog. Yo, I don't think I can fucking last long. I'm starting to fucking cry, dog. Yeah, which was the fucking way to go? Broken hearted man with a fucking goddamn perspective that's pretty fucking bright, man. I'm an intelligent kid, yeah, but I'm starting to cry and shit. What the fuck is up with this, man? Yeah, top 10 hits. Yeah, could've been up in the fucking top with her on my fucking side, man. Could've went for the longest fucking walk. But I don't know, bro. They just dipped off, man. Took a chunk of my fucking heart, now they're gone. It's all good, bro. I'll man up, I'll stand up soon enough. I'm just trying to get through this fucking section of fucked up shit, man. Yeah, you know what up, bud? Yeah, my ears are getting a little wet, man. I'm starting to fucking cry again.
I pray
Shit.
rain on me. Rain on me. Watch the pain on me. Rain on me. Rain on me. Yeah, I've been feeling that kind of way. I want you to know. All this pain in my heart, I don't need no more. I pray it rain on me. Rain on me.
Yeah, how the fuck does it stop? These tears, they just wanna fucking drop, you know? Yeah, there's a spot on the fucking floor, a puddle, dog, yeah. I've been here way too fucking long, you know? Yeah, as they stream out my fucking face. One eye's welling up, the other one's getting a taste, yeah. A fucking goddamn reality, dog. This is life, bro. I don't think you fucking know, man. The tears in my fucking eyes don't lie, dog. Yeah, you know how it rolls. Sitting around trying to fucking hold myself together, bro. But I don't know if I can go fucking on much fucking longer. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit fucking strong, but these lessons are lasting too fucking long, dog. Yeah, you wanna play the long ball. I'm playing up on the fucking longest odds, man. Far fucking from the fucking goddamn fucking grounds of the life that I want, man. The foundation I thought I already built it up, kid.
There's so much blood in the street, I see too many die. So many real ones we lost, only one question why. I got some pain in my heart, you look me in my eye. I pray to God make it rain so you don't see me cry. Cry. I pray the rain fall down and you don't see me cry. Cry. Yeah, I pray it rain on me.
Yeah, it's gonna rain.
Rain on me.
It's raining.
Rain on me. Rain on me. Rain on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been feeling that kind of way. I want you to know. All this pain in my heart, I don't need no more. I pray it rain on me. Rain on me. Yeah.
Money and bitches, the two things that'll get you fucking down, kid. Yeah, believe it, man. You need both to survive, man. Sure beats jacking off in the fucking basement, man. You know what I'm saying, dog? Yo, you need to fucking find a solid chick. You need to fucking stack up your money, kid. Yeah, get rich. Yeah, go out there and fucking live. Otherwise, you'll be walking dead on a strip, you know? Tears in your eyes. Tears in your fucking